tamasa Shillong cherry blossom kalapoino syakabakut hakaba dakipo hajar ngut ki paidbah kilawan ban saki bat sengap ya ki jingerwai naki kenhun baper belawan bani shem banta hak sngi bakadu jongkani ke tamasa kabala penlong hamadan RBDSA Sports Complex kelasaki yak jingshong shit bat ke jingtuit ki paidbah klem sange ban pek ya kani ke tamasa hakani kesngi lawan bersakhi langru dau menteri ketenat jungo kai perthai uba pol langdo ha kesngi bakadu jongkani ke tamasa la penshet da ki jingerwai na ki kenhun baper kum kasanam boyzone vocalist Ronan Keating Jonas Blue Leo Majau Blue Temptation Daminot Nok Pante Ram Faven One Job Chocolate Banrap Yang Nate DJ Meban Lamprang Bat Toshan Shushu hakani kesngi ngilayo I bagi paidbah ki dab da kejingkemen bat ya Shad lang bat rwai lang bat kini kinong put kinong tem ki bala penshet bat pensngan yaki kani katamasa kalalong ka job bat ka basai so bha hakaba kumbah nyau pau persen ki bru ki ba juan ban jungok ka ya ka jalami khalia kilawan bat saki ya kani katamasa.
Okay, Kakerting juga ada rehearsal Jones nyauta. So ada calisthenics athlete dengan form yang team Kakerting Shillong Street Workout calisthenics. So
in the way we face many barriers in our life, there are a lot of obstacles.
Hi guys, we're the band Sanam and we are in Shillong right now for the Cherry Blossom Festival.
How has the experience been in Meghalaya?
I'm very happy to be coming. This is the third day I'm coming. The first day it was a washout. Yesterday I was so happy to catch some of the local acts and of course Hybrid Theory and Neo. And I was really happy actually to watch Snow White. It's so nice to watch our homegrown talent over the years and they seem to be an iconic band from Shillong.
Are you guys excited to play is this the first time in Meghalaya?
It's our first time and we've been hearing so much about the Northeast, how much they, listen to us here and our original songs as well. So we're really excited to perform what we prepared for everybody here.
Are you guys excited to play?
Very excited to play. Super excited. In fact, after a long time we're so excited here.
There are some songs that we are performing for the first time.
The show? About the show, what do you feel being here? Anything?
Oh yeah, this is our first time here, so we're really excited. We just recently found out that a lot of people here listen to our music, and we're also really shocked to hear that they like our originals more than our renditions. So, so we're quite excited to showcase that side of us tonight. And I think we all love the weather here, so it's amazing. And the people are so warm, so it works.
So amazing. We just wish, the first day it was raining. Wish that didn't happen because a lot of people suffered because of that. But it is what it is. What can we do? We got to move forward. But it's so well planned otherwise. And we didn't get to explore much because we're not really allowed to go there into the crowd.
Put up the